Right in the middle of the Times Square here, we got the mall, Terminal 21 Mall. All kinds of craziness going around here. We got the Westin Hotel. Crazy traffic. Everybody coming off of the station, subway station. There's a mall over there going on. It's just a huge, huge area. A lot of traffic, a lot of shopping. Check out this steakhouse in here, the 3-level steakhouse, Argentina Steakhouse, right by Terminal 21 Mall. All kinds of people there. Here's the McDonald's out here. We got pretty nice McDonald's. Ronald McDonald's actually doing the McDonald's out here. We got the Ronald McDonald's even doing Kampu Cup. Kampu Cup. Over here at the McDonald's in Bangkok, they got some mint green curry rice, truffle cheese and ham pie, regular quarter pounders, limited edition items. They got some midnight tumbler, McFried chicken, rice and porridge, buffet, standard coffee and stuff, flavor, chicken sticks, pepper chicken burger, a pork burger, hamburger, promotion, corn pie, shrimp glass noodle pie, I-come rice set. What? Okay. At the Terminal 1 Mall, going up some escalators. Another floor, and another floor, and another floor. And don't stop, folks. We're at Terminal 21. Alright, here's some fun facts about Terminal 21. Each level has its own country theme. Got Caribbean, Rome, Paris, Tokyo, London, even 2 floors of San Francisco, 1 city, and 1 Pier 21. And also on top is Hollywood 21. Also on top is this hotel called Grand Century Point. It's a huge hotel that you can stay at, and then once you get up, you just go back downstairs, 2021, and go do some shopping or get some food. But let's go ahead and review all floors here. First floor, we got the Caribbean here. I'm doing a voiceover because my mic wasn't working very well, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover for you guys. The first floor here. On each level has its own theme. Obviously, this one's the grocery store. It's kind of like a Whole Foods area. A lot of people go get their local foods, vegetables, salad bar, seafood, grocery store. We do a little bit of shopping around here, but as you can see, it's a little pricier than other stores, but you can see it's really, really clean and really packaged really well. Here's what all the Asians get. These little lychee, or what are these called? Robinson? Yeah. Alright, let's move on to Rome theme. As you see, that's the floor that we were just on, the Caribbean theme. And that floor, once again, had just a bunch of summer stuff. And it has different events every year, or every so often, I guess. And right now it's obviously just the summer theme. Got a little moped there. They were selling some kayaks. Just the overall summer theme, trying to get rid of all the summer products. But here we go to the big escalator here on Paris floor. Here is where a lot of locals go up and just skip all the stores and go straight to the main food court. Over here, it's known for having the best food court, affordable food court out here in Bangkok. So a lot of people tend to just go to the main floor. Also, they have a big Starbucks here. A lot of digital nomads go out here and work or just, study. And here's the store that's named out of my jokes. Super dry. And we got a bunch of floors once again. Just different levels that we were at. We're almost there. Next, let's go to Tokyo. As you can see, it's got nice little themes going on. A lot of shops that represent Tokyo. Next, we got London. Got some cool coffee shops, telephone, benches. And they even made a bus, a tour bus made out of made into a store. And also each level is really interesting. It has its own bathroom themes. So as you can see here, London has its own theme. I didn't get every single bathroom, but here we got London, subway station, and now we got Instaball. Here was a lot of jewelry, a lot of gifts you could buy, very unique clothing. More jewelry, some Instagram photos you can take with some flamingos, a horse, some more Instagram theme rooms, beautiful chandelier. Well, let's go to San Francisco, the city street. 2 levels, there's City Street and there's Pier 21. You got some tartare, some Lebanese food, and a view of the Golden Gate Bridge. You get another view up top. Well, here's a view of the Golden Gate Bridge from this level. As you see here, the food is pretty affordable, really good. Got a view of the trolley and the Pier 21, kind of where the main food court is for San Francisco type of theme. Pier 21. Delicious, 36 delicious street food vendors is what it says there. And you'll see there's just a ton of people here, and it's kind of interesting. They don't really take cash or credit at each booth. You have to buy a card here. It's kind of like Dave & Buster's. You put money on a card, and then once you put money on a card, then you just swipe this card that they have, and you just go out and buy your food. Here's some food for about 20, 25 baht. And then here's some example of some of the food here. We got 55 baht, 38 baht, 29 baht. Really affordable food. Crispy noodle with gravy, some stew that's been stewing for like 100 years. This lady's burning her food right next to her. And if you want to come out eat, you actually get a nice view. There's actually a nice view out here that you can enjoy your food. Another view of the Golden Gate Bridge. Really cool how they came up with this idea. And last, we got the last floor up top, Hollywood floor. Obviously represents a lot of movies. It's got a cinema, a movie theater to come watch some movies and get some snacks. You can bring the kids up here, play some video games. Guess we got some kids here playing some soccer right here. Play some Mario Kart. All right, I think we found the extra venti tall grande of bubble teas right here. Come get you some over at the Koi in Thailand. All right, out of all things in Thailand, I find an Iowa shirt. What are the odds of that? That's funny. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can you show me where to find some good pair of pants? We ended up just picking somewhere here on Tokyo, getting some ramen. But I'm sure you got some examples of menu items that they have here, like the fried microwave shrimp. They even have Korean barbecue, hot pot, of course. It's a big place called Barbecue Plaza for 700 baht a plate, and this place I even had for 1,400 a plate for like a big family, big feast. It's a real popular place called Pepper Lunch. Everyone's kind of talking about. I gotta try that next time. 225 baht, 155 baht. So basically about 200 bucks or 200 baht a meal coming out here. Here's some more menu items. And we end up just getting this ramen here. That's my bowl, I believe. And that's my girl's bowl. But hope you guys enjoyed this different type of video, a little bit of voiceover of Terminal 21. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.